Welcome to another episode of SeeLife, guys. We're out here fishing for some speckled trout, some redfish. We just got here, about to rig up. It's been pretty rainy, a little windy out, so we couldn't have been fishing for a while, but finally got out. Pretty peaceful out here. Hopefully catch some fish. See you guys once we catch some fish. Deal? No? Jalum's on. Oh, that's a nice one. Jalum's on. Wow. Let's go. Oh, let's go, Jalum. Holy crap. Let's go, Jalum. Bring it in. Look at that, guys. Jalum on a big speckled trout. Let's go. Jalum's on again. Look at that. Nice little red. Baby. Yes, sir, Jalum. Thanks on.
Where's the video? You're videoing?
It's videoing. Oh, let's go. Yes, go. Got the net?
Okay. Get the shrimp, dude.
Good shrimp. Fake shrimp. Fake shrimp? Oh, this is a boat. Not a fake. Oh, it's a red? Is that a red? That's a red. Redfish. Fish. Oh my god. It was like right in front of us. Big speckled trout right in front of us. Thanks on again. Let's see it, Tang. Very nice. Thanks on. Jalum's on a. He's on a drag screamer. Get it, Jalum, get it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fish, Jalum.
Oh, all right, I got this.
Where's your
$200 rod?
Where's your $200 rod, Jalum?
Where's my shrimp, man? Oh my gosh, man. You weren't paying attention on that one. Oh yeah, that's a nice red. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice red. Bad net job, bad net job. Cut that out. Cut that out. Very nice, Jalum. Let's go, let's go. Cut that out, please. Shoot.
This one I was getting ready to switch it up.
Nice, Jalum. Very nice. Let's see that, Jalum. Hold it up for the fans. Wow, very nice. Jalum's on again. Nice. What was that on?
Short.
Yeah. What was that on, Jalum?
You sure? What size? Shrimp.
Shrimp?
I catch 18.
Jalum's on again. Wow. Nice, Jalum.
Not that small. Is it a keeper?
Yeah, that's a keeper.
That's not a keeper. No? It's only 14, right?
Could be 14.
On a shrimp.
Wow, that's a huge one. Nice, Jalum.
14? It has to be 14?
Yeah. Might look like 12.
35 from 48 is what? The record.
I don't know.
12.
14. 14.
Oh, is it 14 or 12?
Back in the water.
Stay here, Sang. Don't move.
Goes on. What's going on? Fire.
Great shrimp. A big one. This is a big one. Look. Yeah, this one's good. You want to get?
Tag, man.
Oh, this is red.
Dang. Nice.
What's your line? Just shrimp. Great shrimp. There's some more great shrimp in there. Oh, that's the big one. Yeah. Where was it?
Nice, Jalum.
It's in there. Get off.
Nice, Jalum.
Throw.
On net job.
Right here. To the right, not there.
Very nice, guys.
Oh, there's more in there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
My bad. Oh. Be careful.
Oh God. Go.
Oh shit! What the fuck? What just happened?
That's how you do a net job. Yes.
Right here to the left, right there.
Nice, Jalom.
shit.
Ow, don't lose the fish. Hold on. Tag's on too. Yeah, both small ones. Look at this guy. Tag's on too.
They're liking it.
Finally on, first fish, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Lord.
Finally.
Go catch me another one, please. Thanks on.
Ready? Thanks on. Yes. Big red one.
Oh, let's go.
Nice.
Very nice.
I like it.
Very nice.
Oh, the shrimp?
No, on a white mullet.
White mullet.
Let's go, guys.
White.
Go to the camera a second. Very nice. Quick time. There we go.
Oh, it's bending your pole. The pole's bending. Want me to net it? You want to get it?
Right.
You can. I got it. Shark 2.
Alright guys, just caught mine. Look at that, guys. Look at all these spots on them. Very nice. Finally, I caught a fish. Ouch. Oh my god. Alright guys, final review of this Beyond braid. Super nice, super smooth. You guys should get some in the TikTok shop. Something like that, right? Okay, wait, let me try again. Alright guys, after fishing this Beyond braid.
Justin, you got one.
I got one, what the fuck?
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, Beyond braid right here. Alright guys, look at this beautiful sunset right here. So nice outside, relaxing. Let's see what we caught right here. Oh, got a whole bunch of reds. Got how many reds? We got 4 reds in here and a speckled trout. We'll show you when we get home. How's it going, guys? This is the next day, and honestly, me, Sang, and Julum are tired. We were like, oh, Chesapeake Bay is super calm, so we just went out this morning at like 3 a.m. and we caught some monster fish. So stay tuned for the next episode. But going back to it, this is what we caught at Yorktown. Let's see. Just caught a couple reds. We caught 4 reds, some really nice ones. And look at this nice speckled trout. It was as big as the redfish. They're like 20 plus inches. So I'll probably pop up a picture somewhere around here and you guys will see it. If you guys like this video, like watching it, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for the support, guys. SeeLife really appreciates it. We'll keep on posting. See you guys on the next episode. Peace out.